everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the kitty tags ornament in Heartopia. So, you can craft this cute ornament in Heartopia, but first, make sure you already have the furniture recipe of this ornament. You can get this recipe from the DG member rewards after you upgrade on here. But sorry, I forgot for the level. For the which level you can unlock this recipe, but you can unlock the recipe after you reach some level on this DG member. And then after you get this recipe, just go to your workbench and then next just choose this recipe, kitty tags ornament. And then in here just complete all the materials. You need stone, quality timber, ore, and then flawless fluorite. And then next just adjust the amount that you want to craft, and then just tap on craft like this. And just like that, you will successfully making kitty tags ornament in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.